patient records, interpret test results, and prescribe medication from anywhere. This has not only improved the quality of healthcare services but also helped to reduce medical errors. The adoption of mobile technology in healthcare has also given rise to new startups and innovative healthcare solutions. Mobile health startups are emerging, providing patients access to healthcare services that were once out of their reach. These startups are developing innovative healthcare solutions through mobile apps and wearable devices, making healthcare services more accessible and affordable for patients. As we move towards a more mobile and connected healthcare system, data privacy and security remain one of the biggest challenges that healthcare providers need to address. Another challenge of mobile technology in healthcare is the issue of patient adoption. Healthcare providers need to ensure that technology is accessible to all patients and that they receive proper education on how to use it. Mobile technology is not only transforming the healthcare industry but is also changing the traditional role of patients in their healthcare. In the past, patients would visit their doctors only when they got sick. However, with the help of mobile technology, patients can now take a more active role in their healthcare by monitoring their health in real time. Patients can track their vital signs, monitor their diet, and follow exercise routines using mobile apps and wearable devices. These advancements in mobile technology have made patients more aware of their health and help them make healthier lifestyle choices. Mobile technology has also enabled healthcare providers to develop targeted healthcare solutions for specific patient populations. For example, mobile apps have been developed to help patients with chronic health conditions such as diabetes, asthma, and heart disease. These apps provide patients with personalized care plans, monitor their health indicators, and generate alerts in case of any irregularities. By using mobile technology, healthcare providers can provide patients with targeted care, resulting in better health outcomes. Mobile technology has also played a significant role in medical research. With the help of mobile apps and wearable devices, researchers can collect large amounts of health data related to specific medical conditions. This data can be used to identify medical trends, analyze clinical outcomes, and develop targeted treatments for specific patient populations. Mobile technology has made medical research more accessible, efficient, and accurate. One of the most significant advantages of mobile technology in healthcare is its potential to reduce healthcare costs. By providing patients with remote healthcare services, healthcare providers can reduce the number of hospital visits, which reduces the burden on healthcare facilities and lowers healthcare costs. Mobile technology has also made healthcare services more efficient, reducing the time taken for diagnosis, treatment, and recovery, resulting in lower healthcare costs. Another significant advantage of mobile technology in healthcare is its ability to reach remote and underserved populations. Telemedicine technologies have made it possible for patients in rural areas to access medical services without having to travel long distances. Mobile apps and wearable devices have also made healthcare services more accessible to people in developing countries, where access to healthcare services is limited. Mobile technology has the potential to bridge the healthcare access gap between developed and developing countries, making healthcare services available to everyone. Mobile technology is undoubtedly making a significant impact on the healthcare industry, but it is only the beginning. The integration of mobile technology with big data, and blockchain technology Why holds tremendous potential to further revolutionize the healthcare industry. AI-powered health assistants can help users manage their medical conditions by suggesting treatments and providing personalized health advice. For example, AI chatbots can help users with mental health issues, providing emotional support and guidance at any time of the day. AI-powered devices such as virtual assistants can help elderly patients with their activities of daily living, assisting with reminders and medication schedules. Big data analytics can help healthcare providers gain insights into patient health trends and develop targeted healthcare solutions for specific patient populations.